here at Burnsville Ice Arena. We got an exciting matchup between the Lightning and the Rangers. The Rangers are trying to break a 2-game losing streak, and if they lose again, it will become a 3-game losing streak. How will the Rangers respond? We'll find out here at Burnsville Ice Arena. We should have an exciting matchup. Looking for a little bit of revenge as they lost 5-3 last game. And starting a goal will be Chase Stapletto. Tonight here, we should have a good one. Both attendees are stretching out here. Gotta watch out for this number 18 who likes to hit. Saw it a couple times last game at Fogarty Ice Arena. We're on Rink 2 today, so we should have a good matchup. Now, here we go. We've got Novak, McGarry, and Bruns here for the opening shift. McGarry's got it right away. McGarry's cutting in the middle. He got it poked away from him. Novak kept it in the zone. Puck just rang back around. Novak with a good forecheck. Along the boards now. This one's up the half wall. Novak looking to battle. Number 18. McGarry centering pass. Bruns is looking for it. Bronzy's got it. That one was just at his feet. Novak goes to rip one, but that one's deflected. They still can't get it out of the zone. The Lightning finally do it. Puck's back in the center now. Brian gets it in the zone. Ooh, number 33 lost it behind his own net. That's a pass over across number 18. Bruns is on him. Bruns spinning with number 18. Number 18 really has nowhere to go. And now they got a good chance the other way. Looks like a breakaway. Russell's going to try and catch him. Shot there. That one went way wide. Now, Novak has it behind his own net. Long pass up ahead. They try to keep it in the zone. Bruns tries to steal it. Russell, now it's kind of a big scramble. Shot by 25 from the point. That was tipped there by number 26. Very hard angle to see from today. I'm really sorry about this. Just such a hard rink to tape, and it goes in. Didn't really see what happened there. Just such a hard angle to see from. But, speak of the devil, it's 1-0 Lightning. Bullhorn's not really ready. 1-0 Lightning. 26 with a shot. Deflected. Haven't really had to move the camera yet. Now Brian along the boards. He tries to chip it. That one got past Singh, and now 26. 26 shoots it. Good save by Stapletto. They are missing one of their best defensemen, the Rangers, tonight. They do not have Talon Deegan in the lineup. He's in Arizona, so have a happy trip. Cut in the middle. Shot there. That one deflected. Nearly went to 26. A backhand shot covered up by Stapletto. Rebound. They're jamming at it. Now, big defenseman gets it back into the corner. Centering pass. That one nearly went in. Number 26. He's got it again. 26 centering pass. Number 20 missed that one. I should say whiffed it. Now Zwart missed that pass. Good keep in there. Number 26. Nice move there. Shot. That one just went wide. Caitlin McNally is back. Johnson tried to get on him. Zwart missed the poke check. It's a shot on net. There's nothing there. And now number 26 with a good chance. Kind of lifted McNally's stick. Centering pass on front. Nothing was there. Singh with it. Singh goes to ring the puck around. Now, Ryan, he's able to chip the puck out, but there's a hit. I couldn't tell if that was a hit or kind of just, oh, that was a trip, they said. But now, the Rangers will have a power play, and out there will be Abel Kraus, Alexander Novak, and Ava Campbell. So 12:54 left to go here in the first period. Rangers have had absolutely nothing going, not even a shot on net. They don't know really where to line up. Now, 15 seconds have been killed off their power play. Shot right off the draw from Novak. Bring the puck along the boards, and that's going to be picked up by Russell. Good battle there. Now Kraus with it. Kraus, he's got a good chance. Novak chipped it around the defenseman. Novak with a centering pass. Nothing was there. Russell goes to keep it in, but missed it. Now Joseph Benson will collect it back in his own zone. Russell banks it off the skate. Russell tries to chip it in the middle. Novak now will collect it. Novak tried to center it over to Kraus. On the boards, good steal there, and wow, what a penalty kill here. Here they come in the middle, a shot. That one kind of whiffed, and Sapleto is able to cover up easily. Just heads up, they have a game Saturday at 3:45 at Ames Arena in Lakeville, but unfortunately I will not be able to record that game. I will be gone, so it will be up on Live Barn though, so that will be a pretty tight matchup. They lost in the 92 last time. Now Bruns, he's going to go for a skate. Bruns peels, fires one, he whipped that one. Now they will get the puck in deep. Brian center one in the middle. 18 takes it away. 18 goes off the post. The rebound. And they score. I think that was it. Is that a goal? Looks like no. It will not be. I thought that one went over the line. Goodness, I thought that was in. An incredible stop there by Sapleto. Wow. Unbelievable. 10:15 left to go. Along the boards. That is now this one's going to be cleared all the way down. Power play is long over with. Now Swart with a good chance. Swart going to the net. He just lost it. Swart kind of trips into the boards. Now Novak tries to get it. Now number 25's got speed up ahead. Now Benson with it. Benson plays it back. There's a shot on net. That one was blocked there. That one will be rang all the way around the boards. Sorry, my tripod is not very steady today. It's kind of crooked, so sorry about that. Singh with it. He lost it. Now number 32 picks it up for the Lightning. On centering pass to 26, wide open out in the slot. Good clear there by Benson. Now Zwart. Play there by number 33. Now Zwart skating the other way. That's just a good job here by the Lightning. They're just kind of swarming them. This one's going to be sent down. The goalie's going to play it. He kind of lost it. Singh, Swart, and Novak are still out there. Russell tries to keep it in the zone. Singh battling. That one's centering all the way up for number 26. 26, good shutdown play there by Benson. Centering pass. Went off to Sapleto, stick into the corner. Now Russell's going to play it. Russell kind of trips and falls. Kind of a sluggish start here so far. Now Russell, he's got it. Russell to Johnson. Just another kind of discombobulated play. Now Kraus in the middle. Kraus trying to peel. Nothing was there. Russell fires it to the corner. Now number 18, he's got it. Long pass up ahead. Oh, ooh, fell over there. Now number 18 will ring it back into the zone. Benson will collect it behind his net. Nothing was there. Looks like Brian is playing forward today. I'm pretty sure, yeah. Looks like he's playing center. Shot on net. Deflected out to the point. 21. Fake slap shot. Abel Kraus takes it away. He's going to go for a skate. Comes Kraus. He almost trips his own guy. And up. That one was offside. It was Abel Campbell that was off. Ooh. Fell over in the corner there. Now it looks like Novak, Bruns, and McGarry on the draw. Now, McNally kind of lost it. Now Brian, I can't figure out what position Brian is playing. I can't tell if he's playing forward or defense. Now, McNally all the way up the zone, and this one's going to be icy. Nothing really happening for the Rangers. I mean, I don't think they even had a shot on net yet, and it's already only 6:10 left in the first period. Now a good chance here for Bruns if he skates. Bruns, he's going, peels back, nothing was there. He fires it to nobody. Dangerous play there as he just sent it up the boards. Can't get it. Now centering pass across to 26. He fires it from the half wall. That went off the skate. Runs. Centers it up the middle. Dangerous play, but now here's a good chance. Here comes McGarry. McGarry's shot. That one's batted away. Shot from Novak. Stick save. The goalie's getting a little physical there. Two shots on net. Dangerous play by Bruns, but resulted in actually a decent play. Now, short centering pass. Nobody was there. This one's going to be sent down for an icing. No. There will be no icing. Now Benson turns the puck over. Number 18, he's got it. Number 18 behind his net. Long pass out to the point. Now it's kind of a scramble out in the high slot. Number 18 waits, fires it in. That one is offside. Like I said before, sorry for the bad angle here. You can't really see what's going on, so I'll kind of tell you what is going on down in the Rangers' defensive zone. Bounce into the corner. 26 centering pass. That one's deflected. Long pass out in the slot. Fires one. Now 26 had a good shot. A good chance there, but didn't shoot it. Now that one there. Now Brian, he's going to go for his skate. Brian is going in the middle. Brian kind of lost it, and they're going to send it all the way down for an icing. Face-off will be down in the Ranger zone. Not sure if you can tell, but there is about 3:11 left here. Russell shoots it in, shot there by Novak, and a good save. Wow, really good stop there. Russell, shot deflected to the corner. Novak with it. Novak shot, that one was blocked out into the high slot. Novak's having a good period so far, trying to get some energy here for the Rangers. Now, number 18 is going to go for a skate. Number 18 is driving wide. Russell fell. Number 18 cuts in the middle, shoots, and scores. That was a nice goal there by number 18 as he walked into the slot and buried it. Makes it 2-0 Lightning. Campbell, Novak, and Kraus still on the draw. Like I said in a previous game ago, even just a goal. In this type of scenario, when you're down 2 or 3-0, down by 2 or 3 goals, excuse me. Gosh, can't figure out my English here. Goodness gracious. Now Kraus with a good chance. Kraus shot on net. That one's covered up. Where is it? It's loose. Behind the goaltender, he's able to cover it up. Good chance there for Abel Kraus. About 1 minute and 30 seconds remaining here. The draw. It was there. Runs, fires it on net. There's nothing there though. Number 25 goes to chip it, and it's a high stick. Face-off will be down there. Off the draw. Number 25 chips in out of the zone. Now Benson will fire it back in. This one will be offside. 45 seconds remaining. Just need anything right now to get the Rangers going. Right now out there is McGarry, Johnson, and Bruns. Johnson loses the draw. That puck goes past Bruns, and now number 20 is going to go skate. Bruns pressured him to the outside. Nothing there for 20, just skates around the net. Now number 26 centering pass, it's in the feet. Now Bruns is going to go for a skate. Now here comes Bruns. Bruns to the net. Bruns scores! 5 seconds remaining. And the Rangers get on the board. They're back within one. A 5-goal goal by Bruns. We're going to do a little recap of the period. Started off with a goal by number 28, and then for the Lightning, number 28 scored for the Lightning, and number 18 scored for the Lightning, and then Bruns, with about 5 seconds remaining, scored 5-goal. Now the Lightning will be scoring on this end. So, hope you enjoy and stick around. We've got some more action coming here entering the first intermission. Welcome back. Jeez, my goodness, could that get any louder? Oh my gosh, I just realized this. It's why it's probably loud because I'm right next to it. Off the draw, Novak loses it out, number 18 with it. number 18. He's going full out, rushing it today. Novak cuts to the middle. Number 18 try to hit him, but pass in the middle. Number 38 turned it over now. Here comes Novak. Novak in the middle. Kind of missed it. Now Russell. Russell goes D to D. Back to McNally. Now beautiful breakout. Novak just lost it. That one's onside. Now Russell. Pass. Nobody was there. Now Swart. Oh, and that one just went off the toe of the goaltender. Russell. Back in deep. Swart centering pass to Janish. Janish battling for it. Oh, and a big hit. There's no call there. Janish was... Singh was hit there hard. But I told you, number 18 likes to hit kids. It will be Kraus, Johnson, and Campbell on the draw. Kraus with it. Let's do a drop pass. Nobody was there. Brian all the way across. Nobody was there. He's looking for Benson. Now the other way. Now a breakaway chance for Kraus there. That one just went off the skate of the opposing player. Up the boards. This one will not be an icing. Now number 20 will recollect it back behind his own net. This one's shipped up the boards. 26 is trying to fly the zone. Benson went to cover him. Good D there by Benson. Benson back behind. Benson up the board, sends it through number 26's feet. Heard what he was trying to do there. He was trying to pretend he was on the Rangers team. Now Cable Kraus. Kraus with a good chance. Just kind of ran out of real estate. That one's in for Campbell. Campbell. Centering pass. Back to Johnson. Johnson wasn't able to get a good grip on it. Now here comes number 26. 26 driving the outside. Number 26 cuts in the middle. Number 26 shot. A big save there by Neary. Russell off the boards. Shot there from the point. Neary will cover that one up. Face-off will be at the right circle. Novak loses that one, or wins that one. Neary up ahead. Now Novak. Now a good chance here for McGarry. McGarry got it taken away there by number 18. Good defensive play there. Now number 18 with it. Number 18 blocked there. Now Russell kind of bounced off him. McNally will send it all the way down, and this one will be an icing. Joshua Johnson, Trevor Swart, and Janash Singh battling for it. Back on the boards. Benson tried to clear it up ahead. Now number 32 wraps it around and a good save. Rebound. Oh, that one's not in the net. That one's in the crease. Must have saw it because usually by then they would blow the whistle. Juicy rebound from Neary. Shot. Benson now with it. Benson Benson's going to go for a skate. Benson's driving wide, got it taken away by number 26. Number 26 rips a slap shot. That one goes off the post. Centering, another shot. That one went over the goal line. Neary must have not known where it was because that one went right past her. And kind of an awkward scenario there. Here. Rangers are in the game. Number 18, toe drag in the middle. Was there. Battling for it. Now they're trying to do a wraparound. Big save. The rebound was there. Now, Abel Cross is going in the middle. Able to whack it there. Centering over the boards. This one's going to be played back for the Lightning defenseman. 10:40 left to go here in the second period. Now McNally playing one-on-one, shot from the point. Neary is able to deflect that to the corner. Centering pass. Number 18's got it. Number 18 shoots. That one was blocked there. That one's going all the way down. Number 25. Now Krause steals it. Krause has got a good chance. Krause. Shot. That one went wide. Good chance there. Oops. My bad. This one's going to be sent down, and it will be an icing. Naughty language. 9:40 left to go here in the second period. Johnson, Bruns, and McGarry right now. Getting my names confused with Caitlin McNally and Alexander McGarry. I'm just getting my names mixed up here. 26 tried to drive to the outside. Now he does. He gets by. For 26, slap shot. That one went wide. Along the boards, McGarry misses that one. McGarry up along the boards. Benson. He's battling for it. Benson. A tight board battle here. All the way around the boards. Bruns brings it. Now, good. Kind of a huge discombobulated play. Now, number 26 all alone. Oh, what a save there by Neary! Oh my goodness! What a save! Whew. Oh my goodness! Number 26 doesn't miss much of those, and he just got denied. Johnson, cross shot there, blocked there. Now number 26 is stopped again. Wow, Neary's putting on a show here. Ryan turns the puck over, that one goes into the corner. Nice play there. Go south to go north. Now, everybody's right next, is on one side. On the boards, Bruns going for it. He's going to go all the way down. Bruns trying to go for it. Nobody can just figure it out. Where communication needs to be better with this team. McGarry. McGarry block shot there. And now McGarry with a good chance the other way. He is hooked, and there's going to be a penalty. And now number 25 will go off for hooking. 7:25 left to go here in the second period. It is 2-1 Lightning. It's a good chance for the Rangers to tie up the game. Off the draw, Novak. Try to keep it in the zone. McNally keeps it in. Russell battling for it. Oh, it goes out of the zone, and now they've got a good chance heading the other way. Novak. This one's chipped all the way down. Now the goalie's going way out. McNally gets it in deep. Nobody's on it. They need somebody on it. Now, McNally loses that one now. Novak with it. Fires it all the way down, and this one will be an icing. Off the skate of Johnson, now Brian, he's got it. Brian, all the way up ahead. Now, chip it up the boards. Now Johnson waits. Good play there. Now Benson, over to Brian. Beautiful break out there for the Rangers. Brian is skating into the middle. Discombobulated. Can't find it. Now that's the end of the power play. 5:15 left to go here in the second. Oh, number 26 was cherry picking there. You gotta watch out for that. Benson's got it. Benson up the boards. This one's gonna be sent down, and it will be an icing. An icing down in the Ranger zone. Bruns is going to go for a skate. They've got to... Now he loses the puck. Even though he was gone. Now number 18 cutting in. Nice move there, but good D there by Russell. Shot, that one went wide. McGarry ran into the boards there by number 18. That was covered up by Neary. McNally now. Excuse me, that was Neary who covered it up. Now... He was tripped up there by number 18. Number 27. He's going to go, and now he's got some space. Bruns going in. Bruns goes off the post. There's a trip there on number 18. Bruns goes off the post. Number 18 is going to go off for tripping. It's actually kind of funny how that tripping call actually happened. Number 18 kind of just fell over, and then McGarry fell over. And Bruns went off the post on the breakaway here. 3:13 left to go in the third. Janish, Singh. Good shot there by Johnson. Ward on it. This one's going to be sent down, and it will be an icing. 2:55 left to go. And a 2-1 matchup at Burnsville Ice Arena, Rink 2. Once again, I'll apologize for the bad angle here. Not really the best. Swart centering pass. Who's there? Oh. Long slap shot there. Swart with it. Swart plays it back out to Brian. Brian try to feed it over to Benson. Benson now. Benson with it. Benson taken away. Now it's all just combobulated up the boards. Now Benson and Johnson can't figure it out there. Puck is on the boards. Johnson fires up the boards, and now number 26 tries to go for a skate. One of his teammates skates. Benson fires it up the middle. Now he's got Zwart. Zwart cutting in. Zwart. Nice pass to Johnson. Johnson now shot there by Ryan. That one was blocked. Shot there by Zwart and a big save. Getting everything on net right now. Ryan. Now they got a good chance the other way. Here they come. It was hooked ball, and there's a slash by number 25. Both of them are going. That was a big slash. But Brian went off. It looks like it will be matching Myers. 53 seconds remaining. Frustration penalty, but this one will be all the way down in the zone. 33 seconds. Shot went into the corner. Now number 18. 18 is taken down there by Russell. Now there's a cross check. Things are getting nasty here. Shot there. Rebound. Big save there by Neary. See what happened. It sounded like a slash. And we'll be back after the second intermission. 2-1 Lightning. The clock is all set and they're ready for puck drop. Campbell looks like another player on the Lightning, kind of all tangled up. The ref had to talk to them, but we're back to puck drop here. 2-1 Lightning so far. Kraus with a good chance right away. Just got kind of caught in his feet. McNally with it. Got it up the boards. That one went off the skate. Looked like they had too many there. Now Kraus with a good chance. That one just kind of gotten his discombobulated. Now number 26 with it. Number 26. Big save there by Suppleto. Number 26 has had multiple chances tonight. Just hasn't been able to get past the goaltenders. Runs on the draw. Try to center it now. Chance. Bruns with it now. Johnson now. Here comes Bruns. Bruns kind of got poke checked. Centering pass across to number 28. He gets by. 28 shoots. Good save there by Suppleto. 2:56 left here. Off the draw. Get it, Bruns. Trying to get on him. Number 18. He's on it. Off there now. Bruns is going to go for a skate. Bruns tries to get it in deep. Nothing was there. Lightning are getting a little bit chippy here. Now Johnson with it. This one will go all the way down and be a nice hit. Russell fires one. That was easily taken away by number 25. He was the one who took the frustration penalty on. Now a breakaway here for number 26. Number 26. Off the crossbar. That one did not go in. That one went off the crossbar. I saw it. That was not a goal. I saw it. That one went off the crossbar. And it still remains 2-1 with 13:56 left to go. Novak on the draw, gets it up to Singh. Excuse me, Novak still has it. Novak's gonna go for a skate. Now they've got a good chance. Number 20, swarming up the boards. McNally. Now number 22 for the Lightning. Centering pass across. Oh, that one nearly went in. That was Ward trying to get it out of the zone. Number 20 fires one on net. That one's tipped there. And a big save by Sapletto again. Off the draw, shot there by number 18. That one's cleared out to the point. Now, Campbell had a good chance. Shoved down there. Up along the boards. Now here comes Johnson. Number 33 turns it over. Big save there by Sapletto. Shot there on net. This one's going to be sent all the way down. This one will not be nice. Abel Kraus. Kraus trying to center it. Nobody was there. This one's going to be played all the way back out. Ryan with it. Should be a call there. It's kind of a light bump, but... Now here comes Kraus. Kraus with it. Campbell, and that one is offside. Camera there now. Bronzy's gonna go. That's a hook, but nothing is there, and they got it. Here we go. Oops. 11 minutes left to go here in the third. This is something to get it going. Novak on the draw. Bruns, he's got it. Bruns out to the point to McNally. McNally fires one. Back McGarry, back down low for Novak, and a big save rebound. It's a scramble, they can't find it. Now, 20 gets it. Now McNally Keeps it in the zone. Stick lifted there by number 26. Here they come. All the way up for number 22. Good play there by Russell. Oh, now number 22 is getting physical there. All the way up ahead. Bruns wasn't able to get there. Number 20. Here comes Bruns. Bruns in the middle. Bruns shoots one off the back, and that one's covered up. One went off the back of the defenseman. 9:30 left to go. 40 seconds left on the power play for the Rangers. Brian shot on net. That one's to the corner. Number 18. Back across. 18. He's got it. Number 18's going to go for a skate all the way up. Benson there. Now, number 33. To get him, this one's going to be sent down and be an icing. .42 left to go here in the third period. 2-1. Lightning still. Also, another person that is not here on the back end, the lineup, that one nearly went in. As I was saying, the person that's not on the back end today is Jay Westerland, and this one's going to be going down. Number 25 brings one around the boards. Number 25. Oh, Brian had him lined up there. Number 33 along the boards. Now Novak. Try to get it up. No. Novak trying to get back. Now number 20. Number 20 is going wide. Number 20 gets by him, but a good back check there by Abel Kraus. Now Kraus, he's going to skate. Now we've got a good chance. Here comes Kraus. Kraus in the middle. He gets by. Kraus. Big save there by number 30. The puck is still loose. This one's going to be all the way down. Now number 26 had a good chance. Now Suppleto comes out to play it. Shot there by number 26. That one went off the back, and he scores. That one went off the back of Suppleto and in. Number 26, you could just feel it that he was going to get a goal. He's been banging on the doorstep all night long. As 7:05 left to go, and it's 3-1 Lightning. Number 18 back behind his own net. Tries to make, gets around him. Out. Still battling. 18. Kind of wasn't able to get the best handle on it. Benson, he's going to go for a skate. Benson up to McGarry. McGarry spinorama, back to Johnson. Johnson fires one on net. Now. Oh, big turnover there. Just got by Johnson. Now comes number 18. Number 18's going for a skate. He's got a goal tonight. Number 18 in the middle, shot. That one went off of Russell. Russell clears it to the corner. Now Bruns. Bruns is going to drive wide. Bruns, he's got it. Bruns going to the net. Centering pass. Nobody was there. Now Russell. Now number 19. He's got a good chance. Number 19. Big save there by Suppleto. Another good stop there. Both the goalies have been playing really well. Centering pass down low. Bryant. Oh, shot on net there. That was blocked there by Brian. Brian chips it over the boards. Bruns tries to fire it out. Shot there, tipped, and oh my goodness, how did that one not go in? Oh my goodness, what a save there by Suppletal. 5:10 left to go in the first period. Or excuse me, the third period. It's a tight game here. Rangers are still in it. They've got 5 minutes left to do something. Now Zwart. Zwart, nice move there. Zwart, he's got it. Zwart, drop pass. Now he's got it to Novak. Novak just lost it. Now back, Russell. Russell on net. Now number 33, now Zwart. Zwart. Out. Singh trying to jam it in there. Now the goalie's getting into it. Now, got a good chance the other way. Moves down into the corner. Russell, centering pass. Singh lost it there. Played into the corner now. Centering pass there by 26. Now, here they come. Here comes Brian. Brian's gonna drive in. Brian, slash there. Now Zwart, long shot. That one bounced. Now Novak. Novak just missed it. Now Singh's gonna get called for tripping. Not a Debbie Downer, but unfortunately, looks like they're gonna kill a lot of time off. Now, there's gonna be a power play, so once the power play's over, they will probably have about a minute 21 left to do something, get 2 goals. Maybe they can get it shorthanded, but if the Lightning keep playing the way they have, it's gonna be another loss here for the Rangers. Up ahead. Number 18 has it. Number 18 driving in wide. Number 18 passing to that corner. Nobody was there. Now. Throws into the corner. Now Benson. Benson. Now Johnson's going. Johnson skating. Johnson centering pass. Now Krause went to take it away. Johnson tries to get up the boards. Now, number 18 spins away. Number 18's got it. Play into the middle. Now Benson, good steal, but that one's in his feet. Suppletal deflection to the corner. About 2:05 left, about 40 seconds left on the penalty for tripping on Singh. Now all the way up ahead. Oh, Krause went for a change. Though he could have had a good chance. Now, oh, and a good chance here the other way. Number 26 cuts in the middle. Good save. Rebound. Where is it? Number 26 centering pass. Another good save there by Suppletal. Now shot on. Rebound. They're jamming at it. Suppletal is making a couple of really good saves. And this one with a minute 5, 3-1 Lightning. Now, Novak in his skates, shot there. That one went wide. Shot there by number 26, and Suppletal covers it up. Just a reminder that I will not be able to record the Predators game on Saturday at 3:45 at Ames Arena in Lakeville, but it will be on Live Barn, just a reminder. Now, Singh was kind of run over there by number 33. No, number 33 sits down. Oh, a nice move there by number 26. Number 26 in the net. Good save there by Sapletto. Now Russell in the battle for it. Things are going to start to get nasty here with a couple of seconds remaining. Ryan tried to block that shot. Bounced at number 33's feet. Now another pass down low for number 26. He missed that shot. 9 seconds remaining. Long pass ahead. Shot there. It's a good block there by Campbell. And that's going to do it. The Lightning are going to win it. It's just a 3-game losing streak for the Lightning. Thank you for watching. This is Patty Ice Productions, and I'm signing off until our next game. Just a reminder, I will not be able to record the Predators game, but thank you for watching. This is Patty Ice Productions.